Hello and welcome to explaining how my fourth puzzle works inside my puzzle game. So the way this works is event dispatches. So at the start of the game, the right color picker, which is I believe this, yes, which is this, which is like a puzzle manager but for this specific puzzle. So this will at the start of the game pick a random number and set that number, and whatever that number is will event dispatch to the actual puzzle, which is called color riddle lamp. Now, let's say that it picks the number naught. That means that it will call color 0. Call color 0 is these are the right sequences. So if it's bind event to color 0, it will do color sequence 0 custom event, which is set right number 1 as 1, 2 and 1. Now, each each color that it can quite possibly have is designated a number. And this is done within a function which is here. So this is currently set up as you can see. So col 0, 1 and 2 is these are the collisions for when the player activates it. SMO 1 and 2 is the static meshes, which is the lamp, which is here. And this is where you change the color of the lamp. Now if I go inside this function, if the lamp is activated 0 times, it is right material color 3. Right color 3, which is that, which is blue. That is 1, red, and that is green. So as you can see, this is how you do it. So every time you activate the lamp, this function is called, and it adds 1 onto here, interact lamp, which is currently 0, and then it will add 1, and then it will keep going up until you get all of the right ones. Now, how do you activate the door? Yes, so here's how you tell how many times the lamp has been activated. And when it gets to 2, it will reset back to 0. See? So interact lamp plus plus, interact lamp 0. If it is above 2, it will do truth, truth, true, and then set it as naught. And that will set it as naught, and that will set it as naught. If it was false, then it will check if if the lamps are the right colors. When the lamps are the right colors, it will then call lock door, which is within here. And this is the switch color riddle lamp. See, color riddle door. And this works the same way as event dispatchers. In the same way as the first puzzle, which is basically it will check if the door if the switch has been set. If the switch has been set, then it will unlock the door. It doesn't play a sound because I didn't know if we were allowed to put sounds within our game. But to simply explain, the manager of the puzzle will pick a number. When that number is picked, it will then send that number to the color riddle lamp. That color riddle lamp will then decide on which one is the right sequence of what colors it needs to do. This will activate the lamps, and this will change the colors, and then this will check if all the right colors are in the right place, and then that will unlock the door. That is how my fourth puzzle works.